We were very excited to get on the ferry because we were going to Africa, and all of us have never been to Africa before. When we got inside the ferry, they made us turn around in a really tight space.
I'm eating bread that came out of that store.
I'm gonna try mine now.
We can ask them when we can get tagin.
Hot.
It's nice
Okay.
and steaming hot. Look, it's steaming.
You swore that we would never be apart.
What's it there?
Hi.
What are you having?
Are these good?
A pomegranate flower. So what they do is they cut it around and just slice it at the end. I usually just cut it around and slice it like that and open it.
It's hard to say goodbye. It's over now.
While we were on the highway, we saw the weirdest thing.
Whoa, the tip just touched. Do you see that? The tip just touched. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, go on the side. Don't go right behind me. Okay, let's see. It's gonna make it. Whoa! I touch a bit.
Best we ever heard. If you're in Rabat, go visit the Sunday morning mast. snails. Escargot. I'm having more snails. Very tight. Okay, so we were at the Hanam, the massage that they do here. It's raining right now. So girls have to go in that door, and the boys have to go in that door over there. So we're gonna be splitting right now, because there's this sign up here. So now we're gonna say bye to the boys.
Bye, girl.
Bye. Bye, Max. See you after the
Bye,
Hanam.
Max. Go with Daddy.
See ya.
Give that to Daddy.
Okay. Bye. Okay, so we just came out of the Hanam place, and we're waiting in front of the men's door for Max and Daddy to come out.
So how was your scrub?
It's okay.
How's your scrub and your body massage? It's quite an experience.
Yeah.
Next time we're bling flip-flops.
Yeah, because we brought runners and we had to go in the water.
But they scrub like 7 months of dry skin out of us.
Yeah.
My skin feels better now and it's breathing better.
Okay.
Let's see what Max feels. Max,
Hi.
hi. How was your Haman experience?
Hammam?
Hammam?
Scrub rub. Max was so clean, nothing came out of him.
scrub kit. Me? I
Yeah,
got
nothing came out of you. You're in the sun for 6 months.
Max had more than I did.
Really? How was
Right.
it, Max? Huh?
Good.
واحد ساعدوا اصلا جيبهم لي بس ماشي مشكل انا خير ديما نتكلم يعني
دابا صافي هاكا حنا بربعة رباب
Where from? Canada. Oh, very cold country.
Yes. Back here. Oh, it's nice and warm. Here.
Good people.
Oh, warm.
Yeah, super warm. Canadians.
Merci.
Super cool. Okay, let's go. Ooh, fancy. How is it, Max? Does it look good? Max, does it look good?
Yeah, it does look good. What is that one?
That's alright.
This is the best one yet. Try that.
Thank you.
Merci.
Hi, we'll take you on adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.